Hello and welcome everyone to my island in the sun. Thank you for tuning in to A Taste of St. Maarten. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I would like to show you how I season my wok in the oven. I've been seeing this trending on social media and I wanted to see how well it works. So let's begin. I purchased my wok a while back, but just now getting around to seasoning it. This came with a stainless steel spatula, a lightweight but sturdy wooden lid, and a 12.5 carbon steel wok. That includes a protective cover. It has a user's guide that includes care instructions as well as a detachable heat resistant wooden handle. First, I'm going to thoroughly clean my wok with dish soap and a sponge with a soft abrasive side. This particular wok says it's already seasoned and you can cook right away in it, but I prefer to do my own seasoning. I don't know what they season the wok with, nor do I know where it has been stored. I washed it multiple times for about 10 to 15 minutes in all. Now I'm going to dry it with a clean cloth and place it on medium-low burner to make sure it's completely dry before I start my seasoning process. Okay, don't keep it on the burner long. It's just long enough to make sure that it's completely dry. This is round one of my season process. As you can see, the wok looks a little dull. I'm using avocado oil for my seasoning process due to it not having flavor and has high smoke. My bottle says 500 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to apply it all over the inside and outside with a clean cloth. You can also use paper towel if you like. You want to make sure you coat your wok thoroughly. Now I'm going to use a different cloth, clean cloth, to wipe up any excess oil that help prevent any spots from forming on your wok during this process. You want to do this, like I said, on both sides, inside and outside of the wok. Now I'm going to place the wok in the oven for 40 minutes at 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the wok after 40 minutes in the oven. It's starting to get a little more shiny. I'm going to follow the same process of applying the avocado oil again for round two. You don't need a lot of oil to coat the wok in, okay? Remember, you're going to go back and clean off any of the excess oil. I'm going to use a clean cloth again to clean off any of the excess oil. Once I'm done cleaning the excess oil out of the inside, I'm going to flip it over and do the same for the outside. Coat the wok and clean off any excess. Then I'm going to put the wok in 500 degrees oven again for 40 minutes. This is the wok after round two of the seasoning, starting to get a bit darker. I'm going to follow the exact same process for round three of applying avocado oil, both inside and out. I'm going to do this for a total of 6 rounds. But due to not wanting this video to be too lengthy, I'm going to just post 3 of the rounds. The next time you see this wok, it will have been through a total of 6 rounds at the end of the season process, okay? And here we are after 6 rounds of the seasoning. See how dark and shiny the wok is now? It is well seasoned with products that we are aware of, no unhealthy chemicals. Now I'm going to attach my handle and it's ready for use after that. Some of the benefits of cooking with a wok are faster cooking time due to heat retention, heat is distributed evenly, and less cooking oil is needed due to its design. Okay, I'm looking forward to cooking some great meals with this one. Please don't forget to like, comment, share this video. Until next time, always progressing, always cooking.